Hey, Candace Acord here. I am a beauty guide with Lime Life by Alcone, and today I thought that I would show you how I go from this frizziness. My hair is about, I would say 80 to 90% dry. I washed it this morning and then I just kind of let it air dry. I'm gonna use today this one of these. This is a no brand one. This is not anything that has a name on it. Like, there is nothing. I just looked up dryer brush combo and ordered it, and I love it. It saves me lots of time doing my hair. So I've already kind of combed through it. And of course my hair is super thick, so I'm gonna do it in layers. So I'm gonna pull this first layer up. Now, every single time I use this, and this is no joke, every single time I use it, I think this is not gonna work. This is not, it doesn't look good, and it always works out. Okay, I'm using this Great Barrier Heat Protected hairspray. I don't even know where it came from. Okay, so let's get started. I always put it on, there's 4 settings: off, low, medium, and high. I always put it on high because my hair does well with the hotter it is. If you don't have really coarse hair or frizzy hair, you don't have to. You can try it on the low or the medium, but sister girl's got to do the high. Try to pull it up like this, and I'll especially do that up here just to give me some height. And I mean, there's a big difference, and that took like 5 seconds. Normally, when I just blow dry my hair, it takes about an hour. And then I have to fix it. With this, it takes about 30 minutes. And I don't have to fix it. So it's a good time saver. I do recommend letting it air dry though. If your hair's really thick, if you can, wash your hair the night before and then let it air dry all night. Like, my hair would still be wet. Because it's so thick. And I am doing thicker layers than I normally would with my hairbrush too. So that probably has a lot to do with it too, because you can do more at a time. This is probably, I've had this for probably a year. And the first time I did it, I really didn't know what I was doing. But it still worked out. And I have gotten better at it. Everyone's hair is different, so your hair does get really hot too. Be mindful of that. I mean, it looks like I got a blowout. Of course, sometimes if I don't have time to let my hair dry part of the way, it takes longer. And it gets like really frizzy at first, and then I like panic, but then it does what it always does. Frizzy at one point, that with me, that normally means that it's not completely dried yet. And that kind of lets me know I need to go back over that. I hope y'all can hear me. Kind of crazy. The great thing about this is I've seen videos on short hair, long hair, like it really works for any length, you know. It's a huge time saver. Sometimes I will use a root lifter. I don't know where that even came from, but probably my mom. to just focuses on the root. I'm not doing that today since I'm in quarantine and not going anywhere. Okay. So that's the second layer. And normally, like, I would take time to, like, really focus around my face. But since, like I said, I'm in quarantine and not going anywhere, it's not that big a deal. Now this top layer, I do this all forward, okay? And you will see why. Let me do this without. You should always use some type of heat protectant on your hair, just cause. Okay, so yeah, my bangs are growing out. Down. Messy, but it's worth it. I definitely wouldn't recommend putting your makeup on and then doing it. That's why I don't have my makeup on. Really look to see when that frizz is gone, and that lets me know that it's pretty dry, and then I'll go back over it again. Everything's falling. I'm talking about. It's like big hair don't care, for real. feel around and see anywhere that might need a little more attention. It's still kind of wet. It feels pretty dry. There's a little spot back there. But other than that, I mean, 16 minutes. And that's a lot of volume. Now, the best way to get it to stay is to use some type of root lifting product in your hair first. I didn't do that today just because, like I said, I'm in quarantine, so what's the point of wasting products? But now that's the finished product. It took about 15 minutes to do. Yes, my hair was a little bit dry before, about 80 to 90% dry. But I just wanted you to see how fast and easy, and I mean, I wish you could feel it. It's so soft, and I just feel like it's not as much, I'm not doing as much damage, I feel like. So, again, I just got it off of Amazon. I don't even know there's no brand name. There was no brand name on the box. There's 1,000 different ones, but I knew I wanted the one that looked like this. It's pink and black, and it's got small bristles, and then the, whatever. You can tell I'm no professional, but time saving, easy, and I feel like it does less damage than, you know, doing the whole process of, because I have to blow dry my hair straight and then use a straightener. And with this, I don't have to do it because it does it all in one in about 15 minutes. So, all right, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up or press that notification button. Thanks. God bless.